Hello everyone, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a profitable niche to publish book on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Finding a good profitable niche on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book or niche area that I have found that is highly profitable with low competition. So guys, today what I am gonna talk about is the niche when is doing very well in the market and you can definitely try your hands. So if you are looking my video at the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. So let's go Amazon Marketplace and we search. Our first niche is when Harley has anxiety. So here results only shows 29. Obviously this is a very good niche and unique niche with low competition. So we also check copyright and trademark. Here BSR, there is a BSR 7306. So BSR also good. So we check this book and here we check copyright and trademark. Okay, we also check this check books and search. Notice records are found to match the criteria of your query. So obviously we publish when Harley has anxiety book to publish on KDP and earn more money per month. So this is a very big niche. When Harley has anxiety, this is a very big niche. And our second niche is Ocean Animals Preschool Activity Book. Here results only shows 3000 results. So this is a also good niche. You have to try few books to publish on Amazon KDP. Here also BSR is 540. So BSR is also good. And relatively competition is also few high, so you want to upload this niche of books, then you have to possible to sell on Amazon this type of books. So our second niche is Ocean Animals Preschool Activity Book, and our third niche is the fun and relaxing adult activity book. Fun and relaxing And our third niche is the fun and relaxing adult activity book. Here also shows 3000 results. This is also a good niche, and this is also a good niche. And here review is 1971, and review is 5861. So obviously this is a good niche. And we check the income of this book. One nine seven one. Calculate. Wow, per day sales 90 and per month sales 13, 1344. So obviously this is a profitable and highly profitable earning niche. And our fourth niche is awesome road trip activities for kids. Here results only shows 3000 results. So this is also a profitable niche, awesome road trips activity for kids. Here the BSR, here the review is 62 and also BSR is good, 2268. We check this book. Two two six eight. Wow, per day sales 81 and per month sales 1210. So obviously this is a good niche. And we also check trademark and copyright. Here the boy release in 2022 January 25. Then check books and search. Notice records are found. So safely you will publish book, awesome road trip activity book for kids, to publish on Amazon KDP. Here our fifth niche is the ultimate travel journal for kids. The ultimate travel journal for kids. Wow, here results only shows 293. So obviously this is a micro niche, and we have to publish the ultimate travel journal for kids on Amazon KDP, and per month earning 8,008. Here the review is 856 and BSR is 2695. BSR is 2695. Wow, per day sales 71, per month 1062. So obviously this is a good niche. So guys, if you found a good niche from my today's video, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So guys, please comment what type of video you have to need. Thank you so much. Thank you.